Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to show you the complete repair and circuit replacement process of this induction cooker. As you can see here, I've already opened the top cover of the cooker. Inside you can see the heating coil, which gets hot when power is supplied and is responsible for generating heat for cooking. Next to it, there's a cooling fan, which keeps the circuit cool and prevents it from overheating. Now let's talk about the main part. Here we have two main circuit boards. One is the main power board and the other is the display control board. Both of these old circuits were damaged and not working properly. So I have replaced both boards with brand new ones. First, I will connect the power supply board. On this board, you can see components like the transformer, MOSFET, and capacitors, which help to regulate and control the voltage. After that, I installed the display control board. This board has the LED display, control buttons and sensors that manage the temperature and timer functions. Now, I am installing the clips for the circuit boards. First, I am fixing the display board in its place. Next, I am attaching the clips for the cooling fan. This fan helps to release the heat from the circuit. After fixing all the clips, I am checking each wire connection carefully, making sure nothing is loose or touching the wrong part. Now everything is locked properly and all components are fixed neatly in their positions. Now I am testing the circuit through a series lamp. This helps to check if there's any short circuit or wiring fault before giving full power. As you can see, the lamp is glowing normally. That means the circuit is completely fine and there's no short anywhere. I've also tested all the buttons and they're working perfectly, smooth and responsive. I powered on the cooker for testing. The display lit up perfectly. The buttons were working fine. and the heating coil was heating up smoothly. So friends, the induction cooker is now fully repaired, and with these new circuits it's working just like brand new. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more electronics repairing videos.